Hey guys, welcome back. Come on in, come on in. Today I'm going to be making some Jamaican fruit cakes, and as I promised, the recipe will be in the description box below. So this is the cake we eat on Christmas and on many special occasions, okay? So join me while I make these cakes. The fruits I'll be using here are prunes, currants, mixed peel, golden raisins, and some cherries. I will be putting these fruits to soak so they can be rehydrated in some wine and some rum. So guys, this is how I normally soak my fruits in a jar like this. Once you add the fruits, you want to add enough wine to cover the fruits because they will be soaking up all that goodness. And if you're not going to be soaking your fruits, you would want to steam them so they can be rehydrated, because that is what gives this cake its great flavor. So you can soak them for as long as you want, and I would say a minimum of a week. I already have some pre-soaked fruits that I will be using, so I will definitely be refilling my jar. So this is the wine and the rum that I use, guys. The Red Label wine and the Wray & Nephew Overproof rum. Them here are just my personal favorite. However, you can use any port wine or rum of your choice. And you can see that these bottles are almost empty because this is the third time I'm baking since Christmas. Here are the finished cakes, guys, and I think they look great. So this recipe is for one cake, so I had to double it up so I could get 2 cakes. Also, remember that you can add more browning to make the cake darker. So the full recipe will be in the description box below. Please let me know if you try the recipe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.